Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the custom knife factory Sukhoi 2.0 for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what we have here, because this is a beautiful knife. It's from 2015, so it might look old to you, but still, it's amazingly done. And during this maintenance video, I think you're gonna be able to appreciate what's under the hood, and I think it's pretty cool. Let's see, I think this guy needs a T10 and a T9, if I'm not mistaken, for the... Yeah, exactly. That's strange. So T10 for the pivot and T9 for everything else. So we're going to start from the clip side. And we're going to undo this one. And we're going to do this guy here. So 2 screws with a different height. So let's just keep this as the farthest one, closer to the clip. All right, and this guy can just actually no. Oh yeah, because this one actually, it doesn't really. These are like scales, like carbon fiber scales, which are hiding some hardware underneath that that keeps the scales together. So that's the pivot, which is a nice, I think this is titanium and blue anodized, guys, so really cool. This is a scale that we basically don't even need to remove. Yeah, because you see, so this one we can just pop back. And this was the this was here. So, oops. Oh yeah, of course. That's T9. So this can go back. So there's not really any need for it to be taken down on the lock side, because we have to access a couple of screws, which are T6, I believe, and these are under this side. But in order to do that, we're going to need like a plastic tool like this guy to just push the pivot out like so. We're going to clean that in a second. Blade, you see, when you do this operation, blade tends to be off center, so just don't pull it out. Just make it sure that it's centered, and then you pull it out so you don't scratch it up against the scales, liners in this case. Let's see. We have a T6, yeah, it's needed to do that. So these 2 guys are there. Multi-row ceramic ball bearings in 2015, sorry. Maybe I said 1995 before. I'm time traveling, guys. So that is one, and that's the farthest one. And then you got this guy over here. That's very nice. And it's out. So just like so, you have a stop pin, a titanium backspacer, nicely anodized. We can just clean that up like that. It doesn't really need any maintenance because I already did it, but we can just redo it just to clean up. It's not gonna hurt anyone, like so. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Backspacer, very simple. Nice multi-row bearings, really cool indeed. And this guy goes in. This is right over here, and then boom, that goes back. We're gonna need to align actually first this one like so. That's one, and hopefully this guy is aligned like here. There you go, and then like there. So that is done, that is done. This is in. So we can actually do these 2 like so. we're gonna do a little bit better now, because so this is show side, of course. Then we have actually to make sure that these are tightened down, and that is done. Then we can do this guy and make sure that there's no tension, and make sure that this goes through like so. So that's in place, that's done. And then we're gonna do, I'm not sure this goes at the end, guys. I think they were swapped in like the other way around. Let me see, because I think, yeah, I think this is here and this is a little bit longer because the profile is a little bit higher. There you go, look at this. So they are completely flush with the handle. So that's very good. Just flip it over, take your T10, and this guy is in like so. We could use some of the Loctite, blue Loctite, but in this case I didn't notice any movement. So okay, I think it needs a little bit more tightening. Yeah. Oof, guys. Holy moly. Let me add a little drop of 85 weight nano, just a little tiny drop on the detent ball. And then let's just rub the detent ball on the detent ball track, and then let's experience this smoothness. Oh my god, look at that. Guys. This is fantastic action, I'm telling you. Maybe it's a little bit too tight. We can do that. Oh, yes. And that's how you perfect the Custom Knife Factory Sukhoi 2.0. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.